Guys, I am on with a Dollar Tree haul from many Dollar Trees trips, but I wanted to announce, I apologize. The reason I haven't announced my stamp giveaway winner is because I couldn't find the stamp. I had a friend over and I just quickly stashed stuff away, which is dangerous because then I can't find it later. And I found it this morning. Yay! I was ready to reorder it, but I can't find it, so holy mackerel. So anyway, I couldn't find either copy. I had both copies stashed away together. So this is the drawing, and I used random.org. And Pam, I hope I say this right, Tallarico, you are my winner. Just email me and send me your address and I will get it, pop it in the mail. Okay. I'm going to put this right here so I don't lose it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and then I wanted to share, I bought more of these because, wait till you see what I did with it. Oh my gosh, my sweet Tori had her hair done and went to the Disneyland, went to be made into a princess. I mean, come on, look at her. Oh, so cute. Her hair is pulled back. She usually has very curly hair, but she had to have the princess. So are these not perfect for this? Look at her. She just loves the camera. She just loves to pose. She should be a model someday, I think. And then this sweet one. So are those not the most perfect frames? And you can hook it here or put it on a table. So this comes with a chalkboard, the black, and I just took that out and put my baby girl in there. I mean, oh my gosh. So I'm making them for her mom and dad, her other grandma. So I needed more. Okay, speaking of her other grandma, loves purple. Positively purple. I'm going to bring this to the girls. Oh my gosh. Let's see, is this a Greenbrier Flower Pot Children's Press? But I saw the purple and went, yep. I haven't read it. I haven't read it yet. But I think with the purple, there's a flamingo. They have the cutest little kid books there. It's like, oh my gosh. What else? I think there's another bag somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'm telling you, I'm so bad. Okay. Anyway, I got another scarf to put under one of my little, they're like light up trees from Amazon. They look like birch trees, so I put this at the bottom to cover up that base. I got that. Look at these. I've gotten to just the red. Look at these. And I'm making massive amounts of cards for the seniors. So I got 2 of these. Because, I mean, for $1.25, you can never have too many hearts. Yes, you can. Okay. And I don't think I have this table scatter, so in the lavender, that. And then I saw somebody post how they turned these into, these are little ornaments, fillable containers, but they turned them into look like a cherry kind of thing, and you fill them. So I don't remember who, because I watched so many videos, I'm telling you. Okay. For the girls, they always like their squishmallows. And another one of these. I don't think I gave one to Tori, so I wanted to put that aside for Tori, because she loves her Barbies. Let's see, what else? I don't think I have these. I don't think those are roses. What are those? Peonies? Carnation? Those are so pretty. Got those. And I got 3 mushrooms. See, there. Oh, there it is. Okay. Anyway, for my wreath, 2 of these. You put them in vases in your wreath. Crafty girl was talking about that, so when I saw them, I was like, yep, gotta have those. And this, and I don't know, I was thinking about maybe, I don't know. I'm not gonna. I have a 12-year-old brain sometimes. So I was thinking, I don't know, they just look funny. So I'm gonna stop right there. But anyway, if you know me, you're probably going, Kim, but give me a break. Anywho, I was thinking of like painting this, going over it with red or something, just to, I don't know. But I bought it, so, you know, what are you gonna do? Then they have different colors of these. I just think these are so pretty this year. Clay, but then they have the different colors. So I got the blue, the kind of orangey red, and this minty green for Porta. And then I found this door. I just love their fairy stuff, and I feel like they've gotten better. Yep, the squirrels are out, and so I'm watching this teal door. I mean, it's just got my name all over it, so I had to get it. I don't think the squirrels are really happy with me because I fed them yesterday, and there's still feed in there, so they need to just go with that. Yeah. And I found these two by Crown Jewels. Seriously, I'm sorry. Okay, anyway. Fresh picks. And this is the inside. Isn't that cute? It doesn't have a I like it with a magnet. But anywho, that's okay. Didn't think to look for that one. And then I got this one, memo pad from Crown Jewels that's in the lemons. I want to just see if there's something on the inside here. Probably I bought this, now that I'm thinking about it, last year. Oh, that's cute. I don't know if these are brand new to this year. So pretty. So there's those. Okay, what else? What else? I just decided to get these little cups. They have the lids. 12 count cups with lids just for crafting stuff. I'll be good. Let's say stuff. And then this glue, super glue, doing a couple projects I'll need that for. Let's see, I have other blocks I wanted to add to it because I want to do the word Easter on here. But now that I've got these, I can't find the other blocks because I cleaned up and now I don't know where to put them. It's not easy being me, I'm telling you. Jesus. Hi, what am I thinking? Judy said she uses this for the blue tape from scrapbook.com, and I thought, well, yeah, so I have a clear tape on one, and now I can put my blue positioning tape on this one. Sorry, Judy, all of a sudden I went, every J name person I know went through my brain. Okay, then I saw somebody share this, and it's a little holder for your, so you get, it has a suction cup for your shower, and then your razor. And then once this is done, you can put another one on brand, I'm sure. Disposable razor with suction cup holder. 3 blades. 3 lames. So there you go. Thought that was pretty handy. Oh, and then they have different ones by Be Pure. Hand sanitizer. I've never seen that one viral hand sanitizer. I don't understand what the thing was, but it was a dupe of somebody else, so... Anywho, but I did find these, and they had different scents, so I got the lemon. I think the other one was watermelon. And I'm not, I spray them and then I go, so I'm not going to do that this time. And just grab these for the cards I'm making. I just try to add a heart or some kind of sticker on there to make it look a little fancy, because I'm just cutting out paper and cut aparts and putting them on. Very simple, but I've got 30 done now, so I can't believe this stuff that's showing up there. This is by Profusion. I mean, look at this. It comes with one. It's huge. I've got some of the lipstick on. It's very dry, but anyway, look at this. I didn't get the brush. Blush and brush. And it's not a, oh, that took that off. DollarTree brand, so if I hadn't done that to it, it would look very professional, high-end. Oh, wait. Oh, crap. Hang on. It's magnetized. There you go. I mean, seriously. $1.25. I can't believe it. I know. But, you know, because I don't know. You guys, I put a little bit of makeup on before I come on because I won't scare anybody. So, you know, I do wear makeup, not heavy amounts. I'm going to use this. This is in the crafty part. Clear stretch cord for that bird. If you watch I don't think it's posted yet. But I got some bird acrylic, and I was trying to take the plastic off. It's the other side. That's the good side. Anywho, to hang it with this instead of the, I don't like the rope. Okay. I mean, seriously, guys, $1.25 for this summer decor. And they had all kinds of things. I've already gotten a sunflower in this. Now I have this pretty flower. And this would be fun to kind of paint up purples and stuff. I probably won't, but then they had these balls, but there's no flat part anywhere on the balls. My grandkids are going to have a ball with that. $1.25. So I got this one, and this one. I think they're all the same. No, they're not the same print. They're kind of engraved with it. So I thought, because I could never find anything, I would buy Velcro dots. Let's see if this will work. And put Velcro on the back of them. Bought one part of them too. And what I do is, and this is nothing ingenious, but I stick them together first. So I put, you know, the two parts together before I put it on my object. I think I saw somebody show that and I was like, okay, that makes total sense. I don't know if that's going to work or not. It doesn't roll quite so much like it roll. Okay. There you go. So yeah, I think that's it, unless I find stuff. I'm meeting a friend for lunch today at the, what's it called? The Cheesecake Factory. It's in between the two of us. She lives farther south. So I have to do this now because I won't find them later. You know, the sticky stuff. So yeah, I just do this, stick them together, and then apply them to whatever I'm using it for. And okay, come on. Okay, anyway, I'll get that off later. Yeah, between. Are we supposed to put this at the end? Maybe that would work. Like that. Anywho, enough about that. So there you go. And Pam, congratulations. It's not a big... I just do these little ones just for fun. But yeah, if you find these and you have little girls in your life, give me a break. Look at her. Of course, I'm a proud grandma. I mean, look at my babies. She is so cute. She's pretty. Her hair is gorgeous. Long, curly hair. Oh, my gosh. And she lets her mom detangle it. Doesn't fuss. Well, once in a while she does, but I'm just amazed. And I think it's good that I had boys because I have no idea how to do girl hair. So there you go. All right, you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.